Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can add chart elements to a selected chart to clarify the data illustrated in it. Chart elements can include axes, axis titles, chart titles, data labels, data tables, error bars, grid lines, legends, lines, trend lines, and up-down bars. Note that you may not be able to add some types of chart elements to a chart, however, depending on its chart type. To add a chart element, first select the chart to which to add a chart element. Then click the Add Chart Element button within the Chart Layouts button group on the Design tab of the Chart Tools Contextual tab in the ribbon. From the drop-down menu that appears, roll your mouse pointer over the type of chart element to add to show a side menu of available style choices for the selected chart element. Then click the desired chart element style to add it to your selected chart. For all the available chart elements, you can also click the More Options command at the bottom of the side menu that appears to open a task pane at the right side of the screen that lets you position and format the chart elements. You can click the various category icons within this pane to display their associated properties below. You can then set any desired properties for the selected chart element to customize its appearance. Note that the available properties change depending on the type of chart element you inserted. When you finish using the task pane at the right side of the screen, simply click the X button in its upper right corner to close it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.